Senior BJP MLA and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek has turned down the rumour that surfaced saying Dr. Mukul Sangma-led TMC MLA is likely to merge with BJP. Hek, who is also the BJP National Executive Member of BJP, said there was no commitment or promise made by Dr. Sangma to join BJP, but if he does, it will be a boost to the party. Admitting that he recently had an informal discussion with the two senior leaders of the opposition All India Trinamool Congress on merging with the BJP. Hek said neither the state BJP approached the Meghalaya TMC leaders nor the state TMC leaders approached them, and the informal discussion was over a cup of tea.
Neither we approach him nor he approach us. Just on the informal tea stations only, we discussed this. As far as my knowledge goes, till now he has not said that he is going to join, but he said he will see.
The United